Hello lovely people of the internet. I am long overdue a What Katie Did unboxing. I have been rather obsessed with their beautiful 1950s reproduction pieces, so I've asked them to send me one of their new dresses. So I thought I would share the unboxing process with you guys.
What have you got if you haven't got love?
I have two packages here. They're always so beautifully presented. And I always have a cute little card from lovely Belle, who is my contact over at What Katie Did. Let's start with the box. So what's in the box? Yep. Woo! More packages! Okay, I'm going to start with the smallest one. Ooh. I did ask them to send me the Celia set. They've just released it in a nude lace. So we have the suspender belt. So pretty. Look at the lace detail on that. Put my hand in so you guys can see. Just lovely. We have tap pants or French knickers, which they don't call French knickers in France, they just call them un short. Very pretty, but I do like that it has a modesty panel at the bottom here and the very cute button detail on the side there. Lovely. And the bra, this is the 1940s style that I really like. It doesn't have any underwire, so it's very comfortable and it gives a very sweater girl shape. But they're beautiful stitching on the cup as usual, but then you've got that lace detail. And now to the dress. I have been eyeing this off. It is the shape of the black dress that I already have, but it came out in the purple print, which I have in a circle dress from them. So I had to have it. I mean, do I like purple, guys? Yes. Look at the color of that print. Isn't that lovely? So it is a perfect 50s replica. I have some actual true vintage 50s dresses with this cut. It has pleating over the hips and bum, so it just sits so beautifully and through the waist so that it fits around your rib cage and then opens up around your bust so that you can fit in a pointy sweater girl bra. They're just absolutely stunning.
If you guys are loving any of the pieces in today's video, or you've spotted something that you want to nab on the What Katie Did website, I have a little deal for you, which is 20% off your order. So make sure to use the link down below in the description and my code, which is Miss B Townsend's Vintage Tips and Tricks.
So flattering. The right foundation pieces just make a huge difference, so it's really nice to be able to see how these foundation pieces fit under this dress to give you the perfect vintage silhouette. I just think it is absolutely gorgeous, and I think What Katie Did nails this. So that's the final look, guys. If you like these What Katie Did unboxings, check out this video here. I've also linked the playlist up above with my other What Katie Did unboxing videos. You can come and follow me on TikTok and Instagram if you'd like to see more vintage tips and tricks. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye!